What's up everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at Ford Performance's differential cover designed for the 9.75-inch rear ends. This differential cover from Ford Performance will work with 9.75-inch rear ends that can be found in 1999 to 2004 Lightnings, Ford Raptors, as well as standard F-150s that were optioned with the 9.75 rear end. Now, Ford Performance doesn't claim anything crazy with this cover. It's a very straightforward design that incorporates built-in ribbing for greater housing rigidity and is manufactured from high-strength nodular iron. Not to mention, it looks pretty darn good as well. Taking a closer look at the cover, you'll find a magnetic drain plug at the bottom and two convenient filling locations. The raised fill plug was added for lifted trucks with high pinion angles that require additional gear oil. All other applications will simply use the lower of the two holes. The cover is finished in a pretty sweet hammered coating that isn't too blingy, and the Ford Performance badging is a nice topper. In the box will be one differential cover, a gasket, and installation hardware. Now, it's very important to torque the provided bolts to Ford Performance's recommendation of 20 to 25 pound-feet. Anything more, and you're gonna risk snapping a bolt. This differential cover is perfect for those of you like myself who simply change the gear oil in my truck and use the opportunity to upgrade to an aftermarket cover, or for anyone that may be performing extensive work to their rear end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and you guys know what to do by now. For all things SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.